seat allowed, but I'm going to take it for in camp, and then we'll leave this in here for.
I guess not.
Here, Reagan can also use this one.
I guess I
packed a chair.
Yeah, I did too.
Okay.
Did I get one?
Yeah. Hey, you guys. I want one.
Fine. No, I won't take it.
Someone was talking about boats, and they're like, "Do you?"
Right now, me and Beck are on Lewis Lake, Yellowstone. Going to Shoshone Lake, correct? Correctamundo. We cannot see the bottom of the lake. That is really the freakiest thing about this part. Making our way to the second lake now.
From a larger wooden spoon.
I see that. I love that episode.
And he's like,
Bacon avocado.
Pee pee.
Summer adventure chart, and it has stuff like.
We're out here trying to get to some geysers. It's really windy and rainy. I'm with Beck right now. Right now I'm freezing my ass off because I only got shorts on. But I got my rain gear on up top and I'm feeling a little warm from rowing, paddling. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. In the Yellowstone wilderness, in the middle of a lake, and it's very cold. My toes are frozen, and it's windy, and there's rain, but it's an adventure, and that's what counts. Although, Mom, I don't think you would have enjoyed this at all. Yeah, it's probably best.
It's a real fucking self-invest.
Anyways. Alright, we're really far behind. Can't even see Dave and Mike now. Drew and Reagan are just ahead of us. You can barely see them. They're a dot on the map. Over close. They used to be farther. The wind has gone down. So is the rain. Just chewing gum to survive. Been demoralized. Tired. Me and Beck agreed we don't want to canoe anymore. Our canoe fucking sucks. Wide motherfucker.
Burn, motherfucker, burn. I'm ho, bro. Woo! What are you for? You gotta be tracks. Her first time in Yellowstone is a backcountry experience. Yeah. Lucky. Wow, that was really well.
Oh, it's raining now. I left my fucking rain jacket.
Yeah, it's boiling. Holy cow, I want to touch it. This is your first experience. Jeez, man. Why is there a river here?
Let's jump in that. Kind of looks like a battlefield.
Straight out of a cartoon.
Oh man, the rain's coming.
It is a race against the storm. And the wind is against us yet again. This trip is full of pain and misery. Stu's probably glad he's not here. Addie's probably glad she's not here. Adam and Abigail especially. Am I gonna do this trip again next year? Nah, I ain't gonna do this trip next year. How you feeling, Beck? Are you gonna do this trip next year?
Probably. Yeah, I'll do this trip next year.
Look at me. Sun's out. We're just really far behind because our canoe sucks. We're tired. Our butts are... What's our butts?
Numb.
Our butts are numb. Our shoulders are tired. Our shoulders are tired. No, our legs aren't tired. Our arms are tired. Every time I'm tired and I look down, I look at this face. And he reminds me to keep going.
You got this, Will. Keep going.
Yeah. This is how me and Beck feel.
f***ing do this anymore!
That was seriously up. We almost died.
So you agree?
Yes, this was insane. That was pure luck. I was not in control of that situation at all. Look at this, Morty. Look at my f***ing hand. Look at this shit.
What? Yeah, we fucking hate ourselves right now. We're tired. We ain't gonna float back to civilization. If we want to get back, we gotta get back ourselves. Our motto: be consistent. I mean, stay consistent. We just gotta keep going. My feet are cold.
I think I'm at the point. I can't feel my toes anymore.
I know, the sun is even shining in our boat, shining on our backs. I just want to go home.
I want to be at camp. I have so much food waiting for me, and I cannot wait, bro. Oh
I had a turtle head peeking for like 2 days. Not 2 days. I meant like all day. Been peeking all day. I've had to reabsorb it back into my gut and then reabsorb whatever nutrients was still left in it. And then it comes again. I gotta suck it back up and reabsorb, and I'm just fucking done. I want to shit.
The next day.
back to it.
We're finally off again. We got a little bit of a head start. They're still on the beach. Me and Beck are feeling well rested. Got all of our shit packed. We're ready to be out. Couple of days. Red smells like that.
You're a rock star. Come to decide that the things that I tried were in my life just to get high on. When I sit alone, come get a little known, but I need more than myself this time. Step from the road to the sea to the sky, and I do believe that we rely on. When I lay it on, come get to play it on, all my life to sacrifice. Hey, oh, listen what I say, oh, I got your hey, oh, now listen what I say, oh, when will I know that I really can go to the well one small time to decide on? When it's killing me, when will I really see all that I need to look inside? Come to believe that I better not leave before I get my chance to ride. When it's killing me, what do I really need? All that I need to look inside. Hey, oh, listen what I say, oh, come back and hey, oh, look at what I say, oh. The more I see, the less I know, the more I like to let it go. Hey, oh, whoa, whoa. Deep beneath the cover of another perfect wonder where it's so wide